everyone, this is Madhvi and welcome to my channel Achieve Your Dream. Today we'll be discussing about the 42nd Amendment Act of Indian Constitution. 42nd Amendment Act is also known as mini constitution. Why? And also the very questions why it is very important and why it is very controversial. For all those questions, please do watch my video till end. 42nd Amendment Act was enacted in 1976. It was the most important amendment acts of Indian Constitution because it was, as there was large number of changes that should be done in our Constitution by that time. So Indira Gandhi was a prime minister at that time, and the Indian National Congress was the ruling party of India. So at that time, due to the large number of amendments that should be changed, so what Indira Gandhi did is she brought all the amendments into one amendment, and it was 42nd Amendment Act, and all the changes were done in that one amendment act, that is 42nd Amendment Act 1976. That's the reason due to the huge number of changes that has been done, it was known as a mini constitution. So what are the changes that has been done in 42nd Amendment Act? Let's go and check. The first is preamble. As I said in the preamble video, the three words that was added, that is preamble, that is socialist, secular and integrity. These three words that were added in this 42nd Amendment Act. And also 7th schedule, they have changed 5 subjects from state list to concurrent list. Those are education, forests, weights and measures, protection of wild animals and birds, and administration of justice. All these 5 were transferred from the state list to the concurrent list. The next is 51A article. Remember guys, fundamental duties which were not there in the starting of the constitution, that is on 26 January 1950 our Indian constitution was formed. At that time these fundamental duties were not there. They have added in 42nd Amendment Act, and only 10 fundamental duties were added, and by the recommendation of Swaran Singh Committee on 1976. And the next is Parliament. Article 257A and Article 329A were also added, and the directive principles, procedures over the fundamental rights, precedents over the fundamental rights were done, and also any law can be effected the Parliament was kept beyond the scope of the judicial review by court was also done in 42nd Amendment Act. And the next is judicial powers of High Court. Judicial powers of High Court, they have liberal all the judicial review, and they have given powers to the High Court to give the best judgment. So they have done it a bit liberal for the High Court people. And the next is part 15A was added, in which the tribunals dealing with the administrative matters and tribunals for other matters, Article 328A and Article 323B were added in this constitution on 42nd Amendment Act. And also in directive principles 4 articles were added. Those four articles were Article 39, Article 39A, Article 43A and Article 48A. Article 39 deals ways to secure the opportunities for the healthy development of the children, to promote equal justice, and to provide the free legal aid to the poor is Article 39A. To take steps to secure the participation of workers and the management of industries was Article 43A. And the next is to protect and improve the environment, to safeguard the forest and the wildlife is Article 48A. These were the changes. These were 4 articles were added in directive principles. These all were the changes which was done in 42nd Amendment Act. I hope all the questions were cleared, and if you have any questions, please do comment me. And also if you like my video, please do like, subscribe and share the video. Have a great day and bye-bye.